Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I woke up this morning and I wanted to do this quick DIY for you guys. I'm even still dressed for actually this DIY. I'm still wearing my robe. So I want to share this slippers that I hauled yesterday from the Dollar Tree. I thought it would be a great idea. So what I'm going to share with you guys is possible Mother's Day gift that you can tuck in her basket if you create a basket for her, or a gift bag, whatever it is that you've decided you wanted to do. This could be an addition to your basket. So how do we dress this up and make it feminine and absolutely perfect for Mother's Day? If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Spend this time with me. I truly appreciate your time, and I hope that you will decide to become a subscriber. If you do, that would be amazing. I'd love for you to be a part of our family, to see what we do here on the channel. Let's jump right in. So the Dollar Tree have these. They're in white and pink. And I chose pink because, you know, I'm all about being girly. The princess that we are. So what you'll need for the project is a scissors, glue gun, glue sticks, some gems, or diamond wrap, whatever you want. But I'm going to go with the pink gems, the darker fuchsia. So you will need 4 strips of those. I measured them already, the top and the bottom. And definitely Dollar Tree feather. Half of the slippers. So lay your glue down and target your center. Be generous with the glue because it's the feather. Like that. Then we will go back over the top of the, and I'm not quite sure, I'm thinking start on the inside. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and finish this slippers up and this one, and then I will come back before I move to the gems and show you. Okay guys, so this is the slippers, and I'm finished with the fur, or not fur but feather. And now I want to go ahead and add my stones, my gem, to this. So I'm just going to lay my glue down again, and I'm thinking I may want to get close to the feather, or possibly even add a little bit more feather. I don't want too much feather there, because I'm thinking someone who's wearing it, I know for me, I would not want to have feather tickling my toes. So I'm going to be mindful of that. throwing away. Okay guys, so far this is where we are. Just trim up your extra feather, or you can glue them down so they lay to the side. I'm going to go ahead, finish up the rest of my slippers, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. So I started trimming my slippers, and this is the way it turned out. I don't know if you can see that very well. I am loving it. I think it's adorable. I'm going to turn the camera up, but I wanted to trim this up with you and just trim off any area that's hanging over on your sandals. You can also trim the top if it's too shaggy for you. I somewhat like to have it shaggy, but I'm going to trim it down a bit because I don't want to cover the diamond, gems. I want the gems to show. So your discretion, you trim it up how you want it to be. I like to have both. I want to see the gems, but I want it shaggy as well. So I think that's good. Okay. You can also glue it if you don't want to cut too much of it either. I think that's adorable. I hope that you guys like it. Let me raise the camera. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I think it's fabulous. I really love that cute little idea of your sandals for Mother's Day. I hope you do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And if this is your first time to my channel, I hope that this video has inspired you to recreate this sandals, and that you will decide to become a subscriber. Join our family. Be a part of what we're doing, creating things that are inexpensive and making it absolutely fabulous. Creating elegance for less. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next DIY.